Hi. Hi. It's Papa Video time. And can you tell what we're going to do today? Today, we're going to watch the train go round. Are you ready? Are you set? Okay. All right, train. Let's see you go. Woo! Look at the train move. Oh my goodness. There it goes. It's going round. And you see this? I stop it with that. I make it go faster. Let's see if I can make it stop. Okay, it stopped. But now it's going backwards. Have you ever seen a train go backwards? That's kind of silly. Let's make it go forward. Stop, train. Stop, go forward. Oh no. Look at it go. It's going backwards. How do I make it go forward? Oh no. It's still going backwards. We stopped it. There, the train stopped. Now let's make it go forward. Woo! There it goes. It's going forward. Round and round. Hello, train. Goodbye, train. Hello, train. Goodbye, train. Oh, that's such fun. Can't wait to show it to you in person. Love you. Bye. Bye from the train.